How's it going, guys? Welcome to Ambro's Landscape YouTube channel. In today's video we're doing a riding shotgun. I've had a lot of guys asking us to get some footage of the Hustler X1, and so we're going to do that today. I do have an employee with me, which is right there on the X1. As you guys can see, the grass has really taken off. Fertilizer has kicked in. It's pretty thick and wet, and so the walker is not going to be able to really take care of, hold on, let me make sure. The walker is not going to really do too well on this just because the grass is too tall. It's going to take too long, so we're just going to go ahead and side discharge this. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. And just remember that he's only been with me for about a week now. First time ever really on a zero turn, so he doesn't have the straightest of lines. So anyways, we're just going to get some good shots and just kind of do probably some circles or see what kind of lines he can do. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're all done at this job, so we're going to head over to the next one. As you guys can see, the lines aren't the straightest, but with only being a week on the mower, he's doing pretty good, so I'm really happy about that. So first get comfortable with it, and then we'll start mastering it. Lines, that is. So anyways guys, I'll see you guys over at the next job.